Um, Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon. But can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, I'm Ronilo Ibarat Lumungo Jr. and I'm 18 years old and my hobbies is arts.
Oh, so you're an artist.
Yes.
Since when did you start drawing, and how did you get into drawing in the first place?
Okay. Since grade 1, mahilig na talaga ako mag-drawing. Tapos nang mag-drawing ako ng iba't iba kahit hindi pa ako marunong, kahit pinakauna pa lang pangit pa yung mga drawing ko. Tapos natuto ako na mag-drawing kasi may inspiration ako na isang babae na minahal ko talaga. Tapos yun, gan paghiwalay namin is nag-drawing na ako ng mga iba't ibang bagay, mga anime, mga or pati mukha mo.
I see.
Yun lang.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Also, if you're wondering, this question is for our skit, so we very much appreciate your cooperation. So thank you.
Thank you.